everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. And I know I've been gone for a hot minute. Been gone for actually a week. I've been doing little posts, little quotes, things like that. But glad you bared with me. And last name is Baird, by the way. Baird with me. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed the little video just before that. That was the Bear River in Petoskey, Michigan, where I was at. And I don't want to talk too much right now, but just to let you know, I was up north in northern Michigan, Petoskey, seeing my family, out Morel mushroom hunting. It was dry. It was very dry, so the mushrooms were about that big or that big, and we needed good rain. Of course, we got the rain the day before I was leaving in the afternoon. It was a little late by that point for me. I think they're probably finding them now. But had a great time, good meals, good wine, good conversations just outside. So, and that's what it's all about. So you're going to see a lot of video and pictures and things I took. I actually went to a band concert at the Petoskey High School. It was a steel drum band, and I think the jazz band as well. Both were great. The family I was with, their daughter Lena was in it. So it was a pleasure seeing her play. So you'll see a little music here. I'm going to do this right now, right here. And I hope you enjoyed that. So, yes, band concert, did all sorts of stuff, but I ran into some people I have not seen in a long time, and it was so great. A friend of mine said, thank you for all the work that you're doing in the community. It's just things like that that really mean a lot to me. So, enjoy the video, enjoy the pictures. I'm doing well. Memorial weekend ahead. I got a few things planned. I'm going to go see the new Mandalorian and Grogu movie. Excited about that. And by the way, if you want to see a great movie on Netflix, I can't think of the title right now, but it's with Sally Field and the octopus. And I'll probably put it right here because this will be an afterthought. But this is the name of the movie. It was fantastic. So it's a family movie, heartwarming. There's a tearjerker at the very end. So yeah, watch that. We all need a little uplifting movie and something feel good. Hope you have a great weekend ahead. I know I got a few things planned. Like I said, I will see you not on Monday. It's a holiday. I'll see you on Tuesday. Subscribe, like, and share. Do all that fun stuff. And let me know how you like the video. Enjoy the pictures now in the video that I took while I was up north. And thanks again to everybody up north in the Petoskey, Traverse City area, Fife Lake, everybody. Thank you just for your hospitality and kindness. Have a great weekend. All right, enjoy the video. Nice seeing you again. I'll be back on Tuesday. Take care. Bye.